House of Hybrids. Today the tutorial video is how to change the cabin filter on a Lexus LS600H, the hybrid type. And this one, they have two cabin filters, one on the rear and one on the front. We're going to start from the front one, and it's located by the glove compartment. So you're gonna open, this one is a 2008. So you open the glove compartment and you can see this little tray here. So you have to pull the front up, and then it slides out. So you can see the little tab here. So you pull this up to unlock, and then you slide out. Now you can see a little cover here. You already can see the compartment there. So you just slide up a little bit and pop. And then you take this cover out. And now you can see the tray of the cabin filter. So, and on just those two edges is a lock pin. So you need to press and then pull up. Press and pull up, and then it slides out. In that case, that's how bad it is. And this is a bad thing because you inhale all that from all the air vents. That's what you inhale. So it must be replaced. Then the second one is located on the trunk. And you're going to open your trunk, and you're going to see a little compartment. You're going to see it by the almost in the center, and in the top there's a little door. You just pry out. There's two lock pins here, so it's just by pressure that is go in here and here. And you can see the filter. This always up. This one is not that bad, but I recommend to be replaced as well, because sometimes it's not that dirty, but you can smell, and it's old. So that's why you get that old really strong smell inside the car sometimes. So that's good to always have. And sometimes some people throw some freshener here or antibacterial spray on it, so that helps to get fresh air inside the car. So that's it. And to install, just put the new one with the up arrow up. It slides in, cover back with the pins on it, just snap in, and that's how you do it. It's pretty easy, but it's hard to do. So I hope that was helpful, and I see you guys next video. Thank you.